Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal Cat, and if you are new to this channel, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So, today's video is all about how to use aloe vera on our skin. So, let's get into this video. Aloe vera is suitable for oily skin, not for dry skin. This is my personal experience. I have dry skin and I used aloe vera one day, and after that day my skin got dried like hell. So if you have dry skin, don't use aloe vera on your skin. For face, if you want to use aloe vera on your face and want to see the results, then you have to be patient because good things takes time, and that's a fact. Aloe vera is not gonna show you results in 2 or 3 days. It takes almost 2 weeks to show result. In first week, it will cleanse your pores and gets out all the bad things inside your face. After 4-5 days, you will start getting results. Use it 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening or night. In the morning, apply it and let it dry for some time, and after that wash it off with water. In night, apply it and leave it overnight, and in the morning wash it off. You can simply apply aloe vera taken from aloe vera plant, or you can use various brands aloe vera gel available in the market. There are various uses of aloe vera on our skin. If you have sunburn, you can apply aloe vera gel on the affected area and definitely you will see the result. If you have pimples and acne, you can apply aloe vera gel on pimples and acne and it will be treated definitely. There are various products in the market with salicylic acid, and salicylic acid treats acne and pimple. So aloe vera gel has it naturally. If you have burning scars, you can apply aloe vera gel on affected area. If you have rashes, you can go for aloe vera gel. There are various ways in which we can use aloe vera on our skin. Let's see them. We can use aloe vera gel or simple aloe vera as a moisturizer. Take aloe vera from aloe plant and take a portion of aloe vera with clean hands so that no impurities will get mixed in it. After taking a piece of it, mash it in a glass, or you can also grind it in mixer so that you will get a smooth paste like moisturizer. Then store it in a transparent bottle or whichever bottle you have, and you can use it in future also. We can also use aloe vera as a toner. Take half peeled cucumber and 1 tablespoon aloe vera. Then grind them together and after that strain them through cloth and then add it in a spray bottle so you can spray it on your face and use it in the morning. We can also use aloe vera as natural exfoliator. Take half cup of aloe vera or aloe vera gel and mix it with half cup of brown sugar or coffee. Rub it gently over your body and rinse it with water for smooth skin. Aloe vera is also used as a primer. Take small amount of aloe vera gel on your palm and apply it at the place of primer during makeup and definitely you will see flawless result. It helps in keeping makeup for a long time. We can also use aloe vera as natural makeup remover. If you do makeup daily, then at the end of the day, use aloe vera gel as natural makeup remover. Simply rub the gel over your face and wipe it out with a tissue. Don't use towel. After that, rinse your face with water. Aloe vera gel is also used in shaving. Mix some aloe vera gel in your shaving cream while shaving. It will make your skin like silk and prevents razor burn. You will have baby soft skin after shaving. Aloe vera is also used for mouth sores. When you decide to use aloe vera to treat oral sores and ulcer, you should use it like a lip balm. Make sure to apply it to the area 3 times daily until the lesions dries up. After you apply the aloe vera, make sure you always wash your hands because these things are quite contagious.